Hi all. Some of you that know me might know that I'm a big fan of pork and lard, and this is why today I'm going to review this Mr. Porky's pork crackles that was given to me by Cheesy all the way from UK. One of her friends came back from there. Now the ingredients is pretty simple. It has pork rind, pork fat, salt, and some flavor enhancers like MSG and so on. Now one pack of this is about 500 kilojoule or 100 odd calories, which is not very high, but the fat percentage of course is a lot higher. So let's get it on. Smells really good. This is how it looks like. It's very crunchy, salty, slightly salty, and with that very rich pork flavor. As you can see, there's not a lot in a packet. I can probably go through a few packets of this in a sitting. And if you went to UK or anywhere that sells this, and you're coming back to Malaysia, get me some. I'll pay you back. The website is mrporky.co.uk, and why don't we have this here? Damn it. Bye.